In 1911, the London Southbridge Line was shut down overnight. No reason, no record, just silence. Workers who stayed late that night said a train arrived after midnight. No passengers, no driver, only fog inside the carriages, and the seats were still warm. The platform clocks stopped at 12:04. Days later, investigators entered the tunnels. They found no people, just a black, sticky residue on the walls. It smelled like burnt iron. They sealed the station and erased it from every map. But in 1973, a team digging under the city found a door marked SBL 1911. Behind it was the same train, perfectly preserved, lanterns still burning, and in every window, something was watching them. They radioed once. "They're moving inside the glass." Then silence. The tunnel was filled with concrete. And even now, people say they hear a train horn deep beneath the streets. A train that left over a century ago, still waiting for someone to board.